Yes, actually I'm looking for myself.
Okay. What about a T-shirt?
No, not a t-shirt.
Okay. What about it?
It's design.
It look good.
Can you see a pair of jeans?
What size do you take?
Medium.
How about it?
Oh, really, I just add one.
It 200 baht.
And any discount?
Yes, there are discount for all members. Will you subscribe to our membership